guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring you a new subscription box. That's right, it is NoMakeNoLife. Do you want to see what this is about and what is inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this just arrived, and again, this is NoMakeNoLife, and they reached out to me, asked if I would be willing to review this for you guys, and when I looked into it, I'm like, yeah, that looks like an amazing box. I've actually been following them for a while, checking out their boxes, keeping an eye on them, and I've been wanting to subscribe, so this is perfect. Now I get to show you guys, and I get to try out their box as well. So thank you so much for sending me this for a review to show my viewers. I greatly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and dive on in here. Now a little bit about NoMakeNoLife, because again, this is the first time I'm bringing them to my channel, so I want to tell you all the information that I know. Then I will have a link down below. You can follow that to their site. That'll take you directly to their website so you can check them out. And if you do 1 month to month, it's $35 a month. If you do 3 months, it brings it to $33.50. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $32. And if you pay for a whole 12 months in advance, it brings it to $31.50 per month. So that is amazing. You get free shipping. Beauty boxes ship free to the United States and will arrive within 2 to 4 weeks after you place the order, because this does come from overseas. So I do have like the overseas, this came from, Japan. So this did take a few weeks to get here, but I'm sure it's going to be worth the wait. So you get Korean and Japanese makeup delivered monthly with cute, fun, and unique makeup products you can use daily or for social occasions. What's in the beauty box? High quality and genuine Japanese and Korean beauty products to add to your makeup and skincare routine, exclusive and limited editions. You can get your hands on unique and exclusive Japanese and Korean beauty cosmetics and skincare. Treat yourself and your skin by getting the best beauty box subscription out there. So let's go ahead and see what this is all about. And again, I'm really excited because, y'all, let's get this, cut the tape. All right, you guys. They did have like the customs paper here with my address that I did remove out of that plastic thing. And it says Japanese and Korean beauty box. And hey, beautiful, love your box, share and tag. And this is a pretty tissue paper. It has like little, like kind of almost like a marble effect to it. And there is everything inside. And I do see a card, which that's awesome. Okay, you guys. So this is for July 2019, and this is volume 30, and there is this little book here, and it goes over all of the items that are in here. So let's go ahead and dive in and get started. So excited. Okay, so we have a little bag of air. There's that. Here is on top, this looks like a makeup bag. How cute is that? Is this a makeup bag? Let's see here. I'll go to find it. Okay, so this is number 7, Frill Makeup Pouch. A makeup pouch for carrying your summer essentials is a must. We've added this cute frill makeup pouch to your box this month so you can take your beauty items with you wherever you go. Tip, enjoying the summer weather outdoors? Don't forget to pack your sunscreen in your pouch. Don't forget that sunscreen, you guys. I say that all the time, protect your skin. Okay. So, ooh, and it's kind of like, you can't see through it, but you can see like, kind of, like, it looks like you could, but you can't. Kind of like, the little holes. That is really pretty. And that's a good size makeup bag, you guys. And that's really cute. It's like a rose gold color, like a mauve pink. That is really pretty. And it's just all open inside. You toss all your essentials. Don't forget your sunscreen in the summer. That is cute. Does it give you, no, it doesn't give you pricing though. So I'm not sure, I'm not gonna be able to like add up the total box value at the end, but that's okay. Okay, so there's item number 1. Item number 2 right on top is a foot moisture pack. And this is for 20-minute moisturizing your feet. There's that guy. Okay. And it looks like you could have got 3 different styles. By the picture, it shows like 3 different ones. This says, get your feet ready to wear your favorite sandals with this moisture pack. This moisturizing foot mask is the perfect to try on a lazy Sunday morning. The material is waterproof, so you don't need to worry about them leaking. Leave the foot mask on for 15 to 20 minutes for best results. And a gentle moisturizing foot mask with argan oil, shea butter, herbal, and plant extracts. So that is awesome. And it does have the how to use, wash your feet, take foot moisture pack from the pouch, cut the sheet separating the 2, because normally they're like 2 together and you have to cut them apart, and that opens them because they're completely sealed beforehand. You cut on the dotted line, wear the foot moisture pack on both feet, and then tighten with the sticker. So they always have like a little part on the side that you kind of lift up and pull around to tighten it so it stays tight on your foot. It's a really cool design because I've done a lot of these. So yeah, I like foot masks. I like any type of mask. So there's that item. So I'm really excited about that. All right, so next we have in here is SPF 31 PA, UV care and moisturizing. Okay, so it says that it's the UV Milky Gel. So is this like a sunscreen? Because then you can stick this right in your bag if that's what they're talking about. Let's see here. Protect the sun from the harsh UV rays from the sun. This 2-in-1 moisturizer doubles as a sunscreen. Don't forget to bring this UV gel with you when you go outdoors or at the beach. We recommend applying your sunscreen every 2 hours or so. So that is definitely perfect for this time of year because we definitely need to protect our skin in this heat. So that's awesome. So there's the third item. So there's 8 items, you guys. That's a lot. I'm not used to getting that many items in a box. So next we have is Bling Bling Eye Stick from Etude House. That brand I have got a lot of, and it's a good brand. So this item right here, add a little glam to your summer look with this Etude Bling Bling Eye Stick. We've added this eyeshadow especially for your summer trip so you can carry it with you anywhere and you won't have to worry about breaking your favorite eyeshadow palette. Easily apply eyeshadow to the inner corners of your eye. No. Okay, so let's see. Let me break this little seal here so I can open it. Okay. Ooh. All right, so that is a very pretty color. There's that. And let's see what this looks like. It's a very shimmer, like champagne color. You can't really, well, it's that little, that spot right there. Let me see, can I add a little more? It's very creamy, you guys. It's very creamy. So that would be definitely good for like your lower lid, or like it's saying like the corner of your eyes, just add a little pop of color. So you do have that item right there. So next we have, oh my gosh, this looks like a Heinz ketchup bottle. Look at that. Looks like a ketchup bottle. And it looks like this would have came in 3 different flavors. Oh my gosh, I really wish I would have got the peach. I love peach. You would have got peach, cherry, which I got, or strawberry. I'm not a cherry fanatic, but that's what I got. I guess they would have sent them at random. I do love peaches though, just saying. This is the Sam, and I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but I do get a lot of this with the Korean skincare, and they have amazing products. Try glossy lips this summer with the adorable lip syrups from Sam. In your box comes one of the lip serums in a fruity flavor, cherry, strawberry, or peach. Going to the beach? Apply a lip balm with SPF before applying this lip serum. So let's get this open and see what it is. That is so cool. This bottle is so cute though. Like, how fun is that packaging? Doesn't it look like a ketchup bottle? And especially that color, this reminds me of like a little ketchup bottle. So you twist it off? Yes, you do. Ooh, and that is a red, you guys. Look at that. Woo, woo. I already have lipstick on, but that is a red. That'll be a good little lip tint. I mean, I don't really need red on this, but let me see. So that did darken them up, that did darken my lips up. I had kind of like a mauve color and it made it more of like a burgundy color. So you can even use it over your lip color to transform the color. So that's really nice. I actually really like that. And it smells like cherries. It smells like cherries. So I really like that. All right, so next we have, what in the world is this little guy? Choosy Gummy? What is that? Okay, so this would be Choosy Air in Beauty Gummy. Do you want plump, smooth, healthy lips? These beauty gummies contain collagen, calcium, hyaluronic acid, and dietary fiber that work together in beautifying your lips. Pair this with a gentle sugar scrub. Oh my goodness. For your lips for an even better lip care routine. These gummies are a super quick and easy way to get beautiful, plump lips. So you eat them. So they're edible gummies. Let's see, you guys. That is weird. I've never heard of that. If I can get this open. So let's see here. Oh yeah. Ooh, they smell good. So they're shaped like lips. Hold on. Look at that. They're shaped like lips. Look. So they're lip gummies. Smell like vanilla. They smell like vanilla. It doesn't tell you how many to take. Some is like 2 a day, but I also take vitamins for my hair, nails, and that kind of thing. So I'll just have like 1 a day with them. But they taste good, they smell good, and they're really cute being lips. And that is a cute packaging. That is really cute. Okay, you guys, so that's cool. We get to try like some gummies that are supposed to help plump your lips though. I'm not sure about that one, but I bet you they are good for your skin, your hair, that kind of thing. So there's another item in here. It is Pure White Milk Cream, Tone Up and Skincare. Ooh, it looks like a little milk jug. This is your skin looking tired and dull? Try this Pure White Milk Cream for a radiant, brighter complexion. Apply this cream after your usual skincare for flawless skin. Who needs foundation? You can even use this cream on your body. It's perfect to brighten your elbows, armpits, and knees. Huh. How cute. So here's the actual packaging. That is so neat. And there's a good old safety seal. Okay, so let's see here. So it looks like a white cream ointment. It does have a nice, like a nice fresh florally scent. It does smell really good. It does smell good and it feels nice. So that's really cool. Tone up and skincare. So even if it's good for, I guess, your elbows, your knees, stuff like parts of your skin that needs to be toned down a little bit to make it a little bit brighter. So white milk, that's awesome. I've never seen that before. So that's cool. All right, you guys, the last item in here, this is the 8th item in my box. This looks like Band-Aids. What is this? Let's see. Paper and bandage set. So here's the outside. It has these really pretty flowers. And then the inside has Band-Aids and looks like tissue paper. Okay, what do we do with this? Does the summer heat make your skin more oily? We recommend using blotting paper throughout the day to remove excess oils. How cute is the design on this packaging? We love it. Tip, keep these blotting papers stored in your travel pouch so you can freshen up during the day. So that's cool. It's a little thing just you can toss in your purse, in your car, and if you ever have an oil episode and you need to blot it out, you have blotting papers, and then if you do cut yourself or anything, you have 2 emergency Band-Aids in there. So that is really cool, and it's really soft, and I mean not soft, but it's very thin and compact, so you can slide it in your wallet, slide it in your purse, put it in your glove box, your center console, in your emergency kit, wherever you want. That's so cool. Never seen that before, but that's awesome. So that is everything that's in this box, you guys. We have the blotting papers and the Band-Aids. You have the milk cream, these really cool gummies that are shaped like lips. You have the Yum Yum Cherry Lips Syrup that made my lips a really cool color. That's even on top of lipstick. You have SPF Sun Care Sunscreen that we all need, especially right now. We have the eyeshadow stick. We have the foot mask and this really cute makeup bag. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Again, the more months you pay for, the cheaper the plan gets, but you can definitely check them out. The link will be down below. I think this is really cool. Plus you get 8 items. Like, that is really, really cool. Most of the other ones, you only get like 5, maybe 6. This one you get 8. And it's really fun. This is a really fun box. So thank you again so much for sending me your box, No Make No Life. I really appreciate it. I really love this box. It's really fun and very cute. And I love the items in there. Can't wait to start using them. So again, you guys, link will be down below if you want to check them out. But comment down below, let me know what you thought. Did you think this is a good box? This is Japanese and Korean. And I think this is really cool. I'm really digging this box. So if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it so you can see the future videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.